right now it's about 2:30 p.m. and I am just about to install this brand new MacBook fan. This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch unibody fan. When I did the diagnostics on my computer, it said that there was an error with the exhaust, and when I looked into what that error was, it was an error with the fan. So I'm hoping that by replacing the fan, it will fix the problem that I'm having with this MacBook, which is the fact that it's making these really loud noises and it heats up a lot. So hopefully by putting the new fan in, that will fix it. So what I'm going to do right now is get this tool kit, which is a 23-piece precision screwdriver set. The reason why is because the inside of the MacBook uses like these torque screws. I'm not sure if that's the correct name for it, but I know it's not like a typical Phillips head or flathead mini screwdriver, and that's why I have this set of tools. So all I need to do is take off the back of the MacBook, remove the fan, put the new fan in, and hopefully everything will be working. So here's what the inside of the MacBook Pro looks like. I just took the back off and I'm just about to take the fan out. I have the battery disconnected. I also have the fan disconnected. And thankfully the cats are all sleeping, so no one's jumping around or distracting me. And here's the old fan. I just took it out and I'm just about to open the new fan and put that in. Okay, the new fan has just been installed. Battery for the fan has been connected and the battery has been connected, and I'm just about to put the cover back on the computer. Okay, so one thing that was really weird is that when I just turned the computer back on, the date and the time was completely wrong. It was like December 23rd, 2016, something like that. It was really weird. Even though the computer had set date and time automatically, for some reason it came up with the wrong date and the time. So I just had to go in, unlock it, and reset that, and then it set itself up with the right day and time, which is the 25th right now, and 2:55 p.m. Okay, so now since the computer started up okay and everything is fine, what I am going to do now is shut the computer off and restart it in diagnostics mode. So when I restart it, I am going to hold down D, and that should enter the Apple hardware test. This is what it looks like on this computer. It says starting internet recovery. This may take a while. Normally this will take a few minutes, and then it will ask me for my Wi-Fi password, and then we'll get into the hardware. So then the Apple hardware test comes up, and we select the language, which is English here. Then it probes the hardware, which takes a few minutes, and it will ask you if you want to perform a test, in which case we will say yes. And this takes around 5 minutes, sometimes a little bit longer. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully it will come up without any errors. The last time I did this, it had the error for the exhaust, and which is why I replaced the fan. So we'll see what happens this time. And there we have the results. No trouble found. So the fan replacement was a success.